Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I don't always make videos, I mean, I make videos. Not like every day or whatever, like kind of normal I get to bring it. But today I'm going to show you something I made at school. In a really small amount of time, but I did it. So. Wait, let's get it. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Oh, here it is. Yes, I didn't have to go get it, but yeah. So, yeah. I'm just looking if I have any more. I'm gonna fill out, but I don't. There's one more thing. Oh, that's quick. There's yarn inside it. Oh, it's not finished. It's supposed to be a basket. I only did this part. It's really easy. It looks hard. Some of the string are kind of crazy, but and yes, that's a net basket I made at school. And this fidget. I had to write it very fast. I would have put a tangled hanging off of it and a simple dimple, but I couldn't. So now I'll show you what's inside. So the back, I actually just didn't tape it or staple it or anything. I just folded the ends. So then you open it like that. Okay, so then dump them out. Move. And I kind of made these for, I'm going to make way more today. Which I don't know if I'll video because it's going to be a lot. I don't know if I can, whatever. Alright, so now I'm going to show you all the paper. They're mini paper fidgets. First, I made a little this is my last one, and I had no time. So yeah, but a dimple. I had another tiny one, smaller than my pinky nail, and so I lost it obviously in my backpack. One simple dimple. It's blue on the outside, and there's yellow pops. I don't know, it's just the first thing that came to mind. A circle green poppet, a yellow poppet with rainbow pops. It was my first one. I had a lot of time to do it, and then a dimple digit with the bad colors. I just chose colors. So yeah, and I have some stuff that I could show you that I made those because of it. You can say that. Honestly, I don't have a circle poppet, and I've never had one. I'm so surprised. I mean, I've never. Wait, I think I gave it away. Whatever. Okay, so first, this. It could be a big dimple digit, or one of the fidget spinner ones, or one of these. Shout out to Danielle Renee. She gave me this. I gave her my hard shell poppet front. And then the where's simple dimple? They're a bit different colors, the blue and yellow. I did the yellow, and I did yellow instead of green on this one. But blue and green, but different combinations. And I had a dimple, but broke. I broke it. So that's it, basically. Except kind of this one, I guess. I didn't mean to do it, but one time I didn't post it, but I put gummy bears, melted gummy bear, but it exploded the microwave, so I was trying to make a gummy bear puppet, and it didn't work. So, guess that's what this is. And it was in this puppet. Alright guys, well, see you in my next video, which I hope I make one soon, but yeah. Yeah, bye! Bye!